Yeah, so firstly, can you reopen your camera again?
You are not
Hello?
visible. Hello.
Yeah, you're also not visible. Can you open your camera again?
My camera is already open.
Yes, can you open your again camera? Yeah, now you're
Yes.
visible to me. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So how are you
How are
doing?
you? I am doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So we are meeting first time, so can you know something about you?
Yeah, sure. My name is Vishal Mohite, born and brought up in Hyderabad. And coming to my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in BCom, and after that I enrolled myself in MBA. So I am currently pursuing my MBA. And coming to my hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music. This is about me on in brief. Thank you.
Okay, so may I introduce myself now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so my name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand as I'm studying class 9. I have 5 members in my family and I have 3 siblings, one me and 2 small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. That's all about me.
Okay.
Okay, so may I ask something to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I want to ask one question to you that what's your journey about the English language? Like from when did you started to speak English language and what the problem did you face at the time when you started to learn?
So yeah, so I started my English journey. It's been 1.5 months. So after the completion of my graduation, I appeared to interviews. So because of my English, I couldn't crack the interview. So I thought to improve my communication skills. So after that, I started. So coming to hurdles, I faced some hurdles like I can't able to speak one sentence properly at that time. So I started by watching some videos on YouTube. So that is how it went.
Okay, that's very fantastic. So, like you also, my journey is relatable. Like when I was in class 6 or 7, I was facing a lots of problem. I was not able to speak English language very well, even though I was not knowing anything about the English language. So that's why my
Okay.
parents and my teacher motivated me and say that if you know the English language from now only, then you will not going to face a lots of difficulties in your future life. So that's why I started to learn English language from that time only and firstly learn the grammar because grammar is the backbone of the English language. If I will learn the grammar very well, then I can easily speak English language very well. So that's why I firstly learned the grammar. I learned the basic grammar after learning those things. I just was doing the activity at my home, like how I can give my introduction, how I can give my daily routine as this type of activity I was doing at my home. And yeah, I was also practicing with a co-learner at the time, but I was hesitating so much. I was not able to speak very well. So I was fearing a lot. And before 8 to 9 months, I've joined to the Skype application, and now I have understood the importance of the English language, and it is very important for us. So that's why like this, I'm doing practice here in the Skype application. Like this, also my journey is ended.
Okay. So what the hurdles you face in your journey?
Okay, so the problem that I faced that I was not able to speak English language. In my mind, the word was not coming, the sentences was not coming. That what I have to speak at that time, and I was fully like completely goal at that time. I was even though I was not able to form the sentence. Also, the problem that I have faced at the time only.
Okay. Okay. So how you overcome that problem?
Yeah, so by speaking and speaking, I just overcome this problems like practice is very necessary for us. So that's why I just practice whatever I was knowing, like wrong sentences, correct sentences, whatever I was knowing, I just speak whatever because speaking comes by speak. So that's why I just was whatever I was knowing. Firstly, I will speak wrong, then I will definitely gonna to be correct them. So that's why I was doing like this only.
So okay. So apart from this, what you do, like having conversation. So to build fluency, there are other aspects also to learn language, like reading, listening part. So do you do that part also? Apart from this, having conversation
No.
on Skype? No. Do you read or do
No,
you
I
listen
don't
any
do
English
because
content? Okay.
no, I don't
Right.
go through any English content because I am student also. I have to also focus on my study. Like
Yeah.
I just go school at 8 and I come in the evening like 3 to 4. So that's why I have to also study. And I'm not getting much time to practice at my home English language. So that's why I'm just getting half an hour or 1 hour. So at that time only I practice in the Skype application.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
So what motivates you to open a channel and upload the videos?
Yeah, okay. So talking about my uploading the videos on the YouTube channel, just the main motive is that I have to practice English language. I have to learn myself first because I have to do something in my life. So that's why for doing anything, English is very very necessary for us. So practicing English language, the main motive is that only, and uploading the videos that I just wanted to save all the videos that how am I speaking, how I'm practicing. So that's why I just wanted to upload the videos on the YouTube for saving all those.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah. Yeah, so I also want to ask you a question like how do you practice English language?
So I practice on Skype app, and in my college with my friends I speak with English language. So yeah, I listen lots of content on YouTube, and I into reading also. I read some vlogs to become fluent in English. So this is what I do when I get free time.
Okay, that's very fantastic. So what do you want to give to suggestion to those people who want to learn English language?
So as a beginner, if anyone want to learn this language, first they have to watch cartoons, because cartoons the language is very easy. Anyone can be understand. So first they have to watch the cartoons, and they have to read first class, second class English, first standard, second standard English textbooks, or they have to read some stories. So it will be easy to them to beginners to start off with. So slowly, gradually, they can watch any movies, and coming to reading, they can read any newspapers articles. So that is how it goes. You have to take
Okay.
steps to be fluent in English.
Okay, so what do you think about the English language? That why it is very very necessary for us nowadays?
So it's a bread and jam. If you don't know this language, so you can't survive in survive anywhere in the place, because if you go to if you want to earn really good money, so English is very important. Every interviews will be happening only in English language also, English language only. So that is the reason it's very important. If you get
Yeah,
any
you are
job also, you
absolutely
can't.
right.
Yeah, if you get any job also, you can't survive. If you want promotions, high pay, so this language is very must. One must improve this skill.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. Like English is very, very necessary for us, and we should learn English language because if we want to connect to the people also, like if we go to the south or if we want to connect to the foreign people, then English is a common language through which we can easily connect. And for the higher job also, if
Not
we want
only
to
in
take
India.
an
Yes,
yeah. If you want to take an higher job also, like if the people they, at the international level also, the people take their presentation or interview in the English language. So English is very very necessary for us, and we should learn English language.
yes. Are you a student? In which class you are studying in?
Yeah, I'm in class 9.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just think that all the things we have covered. So shall we end our session now only?
Yeah, sure. It was a great conversation having with you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.